We've all been in the classroom. Stop me if you heard a question like this before. Why are we learning how to write an essay? Why are we learning how to do trigonometry? Why can't we pick our own groups? We've probably heard a question or something like that before, and worst of all, we probably replied with an answer like, well, Timmy, in the real world, you can't pick your own groups. Well, we both know that answer is crap. Why are we using this expression, for the real world? Isn't the real world happening right now? We need to change this conversation. We need to make right now important. So let's get real. If Timmy asks us why he needs to learn the steps of mitosis and meiosis, or if we tell him that he'll appreciate Shakespeare sometime in the future, then the work that he's doing now is pretty much irrelevant. Why couldn't Timmy be doing something that's more relevant to him right now, something that he can connect with? So next time that he asks about those steps of mitosis and meiosis, maybe we can tell him that, hey Timmy, it's the basis for cancer research that's happening right now. So let's reframe our lessons away from listing and defining concepts and more towards rich tasks, things that our students can connect with. And through those rich tasks, maybe he can connect with it and he'll inevitably learn those concepts from them.
The first step into changing the paradigm in teaching and learning is to literally change the conversation. So we need to stop using words like, one day this will come in handy. In the future, you'll need to know this, and especially for the real world. And here's why, because we have no idea what the future of our students are. And if you think you do, you're lying to yourself. We need to start by using words that are present, that are now, because when we say things like, when you go to university, 1 in 6 of your students will actually go to university. So stop talking about it, stop bringing that up. It's a lot of pressure. And when we say to them, what are you going to do when you graduate? That is a terrifying question for any grade 12 student. It would be easier to ask Timmy and less scary to ask Timmy to present in front of the whole class while he's wearing sweatpants on sex ed. So Timmy has a complete right to be scared because 65% of students will be employed in jobs that don't even exist yet. So it's up to you, because the real world that we're preparing students for isn't actually all that real. This is your call to action, teachers. We need to make now important. We need to teach skills such as problem solving, resiliency, improvisation, collaboration, thinking on your feet. And we need to make these valuable now because they're timeless. And in the future, these will come in handy. These will be important. So why don't we make now important and give the students the presence of presence?